Welcome to Grade 9 Physics Quiz. Answer the following questions to ace your tomorrow's exam. A particle is moving in a circular path of radius r. What is its displacement after completing half a circle? According to Newton's third law of motion, action and reaction forces always act on the value of acceleration due to gravity, g, on Earth is an object of mass m is moving with a uniform velocity v. How much work must be done to bring the object to rest? In which of the following media does sound travel the fastest at a given temperature? The slope of a velocity time graph represents the object's inertia is the property of an object that causes it to an object weighs 10 N in air. When fully immersed in water, it weighs only 8 N. What is the weight of the water displaced by the object? A girl carries a 3-kilo bag on her back and moves 200 meters on a level road. The work done by her against the gravitational force is which characteristic of sound allows you to distinguish your friend's voice from others, even without seeing them? The numerical ratio of displacement to distance for a moving object is always a goalkeeper pulls his hands backwards after catching a fast-moving cricket ball. This action helps to the gravitational force between two objects is F. If the masses of both objects are halved without changing the distance, the new force would be the work done on an object does not depend upon the What is the audible frequency range for the average human ear? A velocity time graph showing a straight line parallel to the time axis indicates that the object is a passenger in a moving train tosses a coin that falls behind him. This indicates that the train's motion is a boy whirls a stone tied to a string in a horizontal circle. If the string breaks, the stone will In the case of negative work, the angle between the applied force and the displacement is the persistence of sound in a large hall due to repeated reflections from walls, ceiling, and floor is known as a body is thrown vertically upwards with velocity u. The greatest height h to which it will rise is given by a rocket propels itself forward by ejecting gas backwards at high velocity. This is a direct application of two objects with different masses are in free fall near the surface of the moon. They would water stored at a height in a dam possesses which form of energy? When a sound wave travels from air into water, which of its properties remains unchanged? object travels 6 in 4s and then another 6 in 2s. What is the average speed of the object? The momentum of an object of mass m moving with velocity v is defined as the weight of an object at the exact center of the Earth would be the commercial unit of electrical energy is Which of the following medical instruments works on the principle of multiple reflections of sound?